I thought I would share how I have my open face helmet set up with microphone for recording audio. Hope it's of a help to you. So what I've got is I have my lapel mic, my lavalier as they say, as it's called, clipped directly to my chin strap. And you can see that it's pretty almost center, a little less than centered on the strap. And it goes on the inside. So if I turn this over, you can see it's going to be out of the wind. Now what I do is I make sure it's snugged up pretty good up under my chin. The wiring, I have it stuffed up in here by the cheek pad, behind the cheek pad. Yeah, I know this helmet looks pretty grody, but it's a Vega X380. It's my favorite helmet ever, and it's my third one, and they don't make them anymore. So I'm trying to hold on to it as long as I can. The wiring, the plug is, I got some self-adhesive little plastic clips, 2 of them, to clip my microphone wire in. Take this and plug it in to my camera. On this particular setup, I have my camera mounted up on the top of my helmet. And it just plugs in right here. And it does a pretty decent job. I will include some actual road footage to demonstrate how well it does work. Pretty pasture area. Several $100,000 in fencing. The microphone is, I bought it on Amazon. It was about, I don't know, 12 bucks, Pop Voice. It came with the TRS adapter. The one reason I went with the mic adapter versus the media mod is twofold. First thing is, battery access is very simple on using the mic adapter setup. Media mod requires you to take the camera out of the mod to change the battery. The other reason is the media mods tend to heat up the camera, particularly in warmer weather, and causes the camera to not work so well. But the mic adapter slips into, slide it in, and it's locked in. And it's locked in. Turn that connection cable and pop it in here. Clips in, and you're good to go.